Hello everybody, my name's Stilbo, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I was going to be installing this pocket bike engine on this motorbike. It's been in the background of a couple of my motorbike videos I've done lately. I've had it for 3 or 4 years now and I believe now's the time to finally put an engine in it. So yeah, stay tuned. So first step, remove all the fairing, front fairing as well, to get to the bare frame of the bike. So I should start doing that now. First bit off. Put that aside. Alright, now she'll start taking the top bit off. Chain guard off. Put that aside, so we'll safe. There's the top part off. Left the fuel tank on there. I'll put that aside. And I'll put the top bit aside too. Alright, and this is where I check and make sure that the engine fits wherever I put it. Look at that. And now to nick the bolts off this old engine. When you mount an engine to a mini bike or anything, these things here, where's the camera? There it is. They're called spring washers. Very, very important. Do not to lose them. Otherwise your bolts will come undone when you run the engine. Also try to put a mat down or a box down or something to catch the bits, because I just dropped one in between a gap. This the engine plate on this bike has only got 3 holes to bolt the engine to, but yeah, it'll be fine. So 3 engine bolts and washers all in my hand here. It's time to mount the engine. Just checking the thread. Doesn't seem to want to go in alright. It does now. One bolt done. 2 more to go. So, engine's mounted. I shall go get the chain. Probably should have done that first because it would have been easier to get it on. But you never know. An important thing to remember about these pocket bikes, the chain sizes are different to the dirt bikes. They take a 25H chain, which is a narrower chain, a bit more flimsy, but they do the trick, you know. Flow problem. Chain's too short. So I guess that'll have to wait. Bugger. Fuel line's too short. We're having an absolute comedy of errors today. But yeah. Well, I think this is as far as we're going to get in today's video.